So I'm Eduardo from Sonae Arauco. I'm the revenue management coordinator, which has been a recent job change. So Sonae Arauco is a wood-based panel manufacturer, one of the largest wood-based panel manufacturers in the world. And basically we produce boards, big boards that then are used by industrials to make your furniture at home, your tables, your doors, everything. And my role as revenue management coordinator is to set up pricing models so that we can evolve our profitability, but also our transparency and trust to the market, because we want to find partners and to make those relationships last longer. And for that, we need trust and transparency and a good pricing model that is competitive for them as well. Now it's a little bit different than before. I'm always trying to find out new ways to automatize data because we lose a lot of time doing the same thing over and over again. And right now, every time we can leverage even more AI or just automation to clear out the processes and to free up time. Then the other side is to implement and to review the data so that I can adjust pricing policies to the different markets, regions, segments. Talking stage, we always get things generically, but I would say that the most important thing that I would like to really frame and underline is to be curious. You need to be curious when doing a new pricing model, when implementing a new data structure, because you need to ask why a lot of the times. And there are quite a few examples in my industry, in everyone's industry, where complexity or analysis paralysis would get the best of you, and you would get frustrated and don't evolve. And that is why when you need to do a step back and ask why to multiple people, even people above you, just to get things right. And it's an ongoing job. It never ends. You never get 100%.